Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Yellow color, green color, black color, red color. The next one is brown color and the last one is blue color. Kids, now we draw and coloring numbers. First we draw A and use yellow color. A for now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. The next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now we draw 4. The number of 4. And the next one is 5. Now we use green color. Green color, and now we draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6. Now we draw the number of 6. And the next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now we draw 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. The next one is 9. Now we use black color. Black color. The next one is 9. Now we draw 10. T-E-N, 10. Kids, now we draw 11. The number of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. The number of 12. The next one is 13. Now we use red color. Red color. 13. And the next one is 14. Now we draw 13. Kids, now we draw 14. The number of 14. The next one is 15. Now we draw the number of 15. Kids, now we use brown color. Brown color. The number of 16. The next one is 17. Now we draw the number of 17. The next one is 18. Kids, now we draw 19 and use blue color. Blue color. Now we draw 19. The last one is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.